Caitlin, no. Where's your chicken? Get your chicken.
Did a
Okay,
chicken
chicken.
dance.
Yeah, I know. I'm just a little afraid of taking.
Chicken. Here's a gold chicken.
Well, I mean, only taking it for a short period of time.
Aw, give him a hug.
The chicken dance.
I also had a reduction in my back too, but
Oh no.
I probably wouldn't if I would have went maybe like first.
What's he saying, Kate?
Everybody says it's at the door. I used to. Dr. Goldberg and Raleigh did it. And
Well, that's who I met with.
wow.
I didn't get a chance. He didn't have it.
What's in there?
Like 30 days from now or whatever. So I go in with Morelli. He seemed to be
Very nice.
nice and pretty.
No
Caitlin.
cake. No cake.
Hey, get out of there, Squirt.
This
Hey,
way.
stinker.
Come on.
Caitlin.
That's good cake.